And we are here at the assemblage area for the 2022 annual Boombox Parade. And it's about 10:30, half hour or so before the Boombox Parade starts. I have just enough time to remind you that it began the year that they didn't have a marching band, and the radio station WILI played marching band music for the crowd. And the Shabu stage getting set up for this afternoon's festivities with the Temptations. And let's go look at the floats here.
Yeah, I know. So they're all...
The new Senior Citizen Center. Sound checks there for the, as I say, the afternoon festivities with the Temptations, special guests, Governor Lamont. And this will be broadcast on the local community access channel, Charter Communications.
We're the only ones in the coalition that showed up. I know that.
As I say, WILI Radio broadcasts marching music for the event today. Wayne Norman, personality of WILI, is the parade marshal. And we'll look at some of these other floats here.
I can't even do it. Show me your queen wave. Like that, like I just got it down.
The parade is open to everyone. Anyone can participate with their vehicle, their float, their message.
Good? You going?
Good.
I told him I guess we're shaking it.
It used to be way more fun.
You got fun with that. You have fun with that. You did the whole thing?
She got it ready for Una's inspection.
I think it's sunny when it comes down.
performed right before COVID started.
Yes.
And so I really didn't get to see him much the last few years. So for the first time, my son was okay with crying him overnight.
It goes like this. At the front of the parade.
I would never have thought you'd say you were going to wear that. I love it. Yeah.
Like your message.
That's one for country school.
Sorry, I'm sorry. So our kids got to be, Sunday evening and they brought dinner.
Marching, baby.
How old is your boombox?
I actually don't know. We've had it forever as far as I can tell.
Yeah, I know you're the only one I've seen here with the boombox.
I thought my husband insisted if he couldn't be here, I needed to bring the boombox. So.
Sure.
And I found the right batteries and everything, so it's functioning.
Happy 4th to y'all.
It's for Kathy. I'm using the boombox for Kathy Clark.
You're no shark. You need me to bend it in so I don't slide down?
Right here. I'm a classic.
You are a classic. Thank you. You're going to be on my YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing this for.
What is it for?
Turn it off. Bye. The 2022 Willimantic Boombox Parade.